From the pinnacle of mobile luxury, greetings. In 2026, the renowned luxury brand Rolls-Royce transports you to a world of road travel that is unlike anything you have ever encountered. Introducing the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. From the exterior, it's a work of art, fusing the iconic shape of a Rolls-Royce with the massive size of a camper. With its recognizable Pantheon grille and elegant laser headlights on either side, the Spirit of Ecstasy boldly takes the lead. The sleek bodywork is finished with a bespoke two-tone paint job that reflects the sky or landscape it passes through. Every component exudes elegance, from the hand-polished 24-inch alloy wheels to the expertly inlaid chrome details. A feat of engineering lies behind this beauty. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is powered by an advanced 6.75-liter twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine that generates an incredible 700 horsepower. This power is transmitted with unparalleled smoothness through an 8-speed automatic gearbox, making every ride as smooth as a cloud, even over challenging terrain. A cutting-edge adaptive suspension technology that automatically adjusts to the driving conditions ensures unparalleled comfort every mile. Instead of just being a control panel, the dashboard that welcomes you as soon as you walk in is a work of digital art. It has a panoramic OLED display that takes up nearly the entire width of the cabin and is constructed from hand-polished veneer wood or high-gloss carbon fiber. It features important information displays, clear 3D holographic navigation, and multi-zone climate control. Even the steering wheel, which features rapid capacitive touch controls and is covered in velvety leather with cool-to-the-touch metal accents, is a sculpture. A touch of traditional elegance is added by a specially designed Swiss analog clock in the center, which also serves as a reminder that time is a luxury that should be savored in a Rolls-Royce. A Rolls-Royce Motorhome's interior is a magnificent extension to your residence with continuously varying landscape. The completely reclining and swiveling bespoke leather chairs enable you to relax in unparalleled comfort. The cabin has a mood-appropriate environment thanks to its exquisite genuine wood paneling, polished metal accents, and adjustable LED ambient lighting. Even with the sounds of the road outside, a smart soundproofing system ensures a library-like ambience. Big, electrically veiled panoramic windows allow you to see the scenery without sacrificing privacy. Step through the elegant sliding doors into the master bedroom, a tranquil haven. A king-size bed with a specifically designed ergonomic mattress ensures a restful night's sleep. The walls are decorated with wood paneling and soft silk drapes, and the dim lighting soothes the atmosphere. A concealed OLED TV that offers your personal entertainment will appear from the ceiling when a button is pressed. A large closet and thoughtfully designed storage spaces keep your belongings organized, and personal climate control ensures the perfect sleeping temperature. The bathroom of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a model of style and functionality. It has a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and constant water pressure, 2 basins with gold-plated faucets, a contemporary ceramic toilet, and authentic Italian marble flooring. The opulent experience is enhanced by anti-fog mirrors, adjustable lighting, and gleaming chrome embellishments. This is more than just a bathroom. It's your own spa wherever you go. Even the kitchen has been renovated to Rolls-Royce standards. A compact gourmet kitchen that is fully equipped with high-end brands like Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. This includes a multi-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, a built-in dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. The countertops are polished quartz stone, and the custom cabinets offer plenty of storage. An integrated water dispenser provides clean, filtered water, and a small pantry may be used to store essential items. Whether you're preparing a gourmet feast or a quick dinner, this kitchen is designed to inspire you.